Hello, welcome to today's tutorial. This is the helped one here, and I'm super excited to have you in today's video with me. So, in today's tutorial, I'll be teaching us how to achieve this beautiful flyer design you are seeing on the screen using just your smartphone. Make sure you watch this video to the end, and let's get started. Of course, the app we're going to be using is our PixelLab. So, we're going to go ahead and open our PixelLab. And when you open your PixelLab, this is the default of your PixelLab. The first thing you're going to do is to click on this A icon here. Click on delete and delete the new text. Then we're going to go ahead and choose the size you want to use for the design. There are different sizes you can use, all depends on you. But for the purpose of this video, we're going to be choosing a particular size, right? So I'm going to click on this three dot on the top right hand here. Hope you can see it. Then click on image size. I'm going to change this width to 1150. For the height, I'm not going to change it. So I'm just going to go ahead and click OK. So this is the size we'll be using for this design. Then I want to change my background. I'm going to click on my background icon. That's the fourth icon on the down part. In case you are new to PixelLab, yes, I recommend you watch my video on the complete introduction to PixelLab so you can be able to understand how to navigate through your PixelLab, right? So when you click on the background icon, you're going to scroll by the right. Click on From Gallery. Then I'm going to locate where the background I want to use for this design is, right? So this is the background I want us to use. I'm going to click on it like this and then mark this good sign. So this is it here. Good. The next I'm going to do is to click on my center icon here. Click on import. Let me bring in the design so that you'll be looking at it and be very fast, right? So I'm going to reduce it and then shift it one side. Good. The next thing I'm going to do now is to click on shape. Pay close attention and see what I'm going to do. I'm going to click on this point down icon here. I'm going to select this half circle. Don't move, please. I'll still remain here. Then come to opacity. I reduce the opacity to 5. Then I'm going to mark this good sign. And then I'm going to increase it. Watch me. I'm going to increase it and position it here. Meanwhile, in PixelLab, when you increase a shape or a picture, it will reduce the quality. It will make the picture to be blurred. So what we're going to do is to copy this, right? Then we're going to go ahead and delete the old one. Then position this one very well here again. Good. When we are done positioning it, the next we're going to do is to lock it. To lock it, click on this icon below the three dots. Then click on this padlock icon and lock it. Then still click on that same icon below the three dots and go back. Perfect. So the next I'm going to do now is to type in our mega fragrance. I'm going to click on my icon, click on text, click on edit, remove this new text and then write mega. I'm going to click OK. I'm going to bring it here, then increase it, right? Position it here. Pay close attention and see the next I'm going to do. I will scroll by the right, go to font. Now in PixelLab, when you download your PixelLab newly, you will see this default font in your PixelLab. This one comes with your PixelLab. You don't have to download it. But then if you want to get more beautiful font, you have to download more fonts, okay? I'm going to click on my font. You see many fonts. I have many fonts here, right? Okay, I will still be teaching us how to do that. But for the purpose of this video, I'll be making use of the font that is in our PixelLab, the default font in your PixelLab. Okay, so I'm gonna go down and let's look for a good font. Okay, let me select this one, this below these days. That's the one I used, below the days. I'm gonna click OK, then keep it here. I think I can, let me reduce it just a bit, position it well. Then I'm going to click on it, copy it, click on edit, delete it, and then type in fragrance, right? I'm gonna click OK. Of course, you don't want it to be long like this and you just keep it like this. Your design will be completely off, right? So you're going to go ahead and click on it and then reduce it. I want it to be on the same line with that mega, right? Yes. So pay close attention and see what I'm doing. Sorry. Okay, let's go down a bit. Good. I'm going to position this like this. I think the next thing is smell unforgettable, feel unstoppable, right? Okay, I'm going to click on text, click on edit and type it in. So smell unforgettable, feel unstoppable. I'm going to click OK. bring it down here, reduce it, of course. Want it to be on the same line with that fragrance. Sorry. Good, I'll go to my font, pay close attention. Okay, I'll look for the fonts I will use here. Let's see these days. Okay, let's try these days. I'm gonna click OK. Then we have to reduce it more. Okay, perfect. Think this is okay. Now the next thing I'm going to do, watch me very well and see what I'm going to do. I'm going to click on this center icon here. Click on shape. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to increase the radius of this thing, right? I'm going to move the radius to 9. Then still on that same place, don't go out. I'm going to adjust the shape the way I want it to be, right? Okay, let me adjust it. Then go down, come to opacity and reduce the opacity. Let's do the opacity 82. Then I'm going to mark this grid sign. So this is what I have here. I'm going to position this very well, making sure it's on the same line with the mega, the fragrance, the unstoppable and all that. Good. The next I'm going to do is to put in my write-up, okay? So I'm going to click on my A icon, click on test, click on edit, and type in the services they render, right? I've already copied it from my AI, so I'm going to go ahead and edit it, remove some things that are not necessary, right? Okay, perfect. I'm going to click OK. Then we're going to go ahead and reduce this. Okay, position it well. Of course, you cannot use white now because if you look at it, you discover that it's not visible. And the purpose of your design is to communicate message to your audience. Whenever you design a flyer and you're not able to communicate effectively the message from the flyer to your audience, then the purpose of that flyer have failed. So you must make sure that your design can communicate effectively to your audience. So I'm going to still select that right up, click on my color and then select black. Hope you are seeing it. It's much better. Then I'm going to go to my A icon and I will choose the font I want to use. I will still select this. Then I'm going to click OK and then position it well. Ensure it's at the center of that shape, right? Position it very well. Good. The next thing I'm going to do now is to start bringing in my perfume, right? I'm going to click on my center icon, click on import. Let's bring in the first perfume, which is the big one, right? So this is it here. I'm going to go ahead and crop out these unnecessary white spaces. Crop it out, mark this good sign. Then I'm going to reduce it a bit. Let it not be too big. You're seeing it. Just watch and see the way I'm positioning my own. I'm going to keep it here. Meanwhile, I'm not just going to leave this like this. Watch and see the effect I'm going to add to it to make it more real. Okay, but then before then, okay, let's do this. Then I will teach you how to do that one. I'm going to scroll by the right. Watch and see what I'm going to do. Click on shadow. This is shadow here. Enable it. Now when you click on shadow and enable it, the default color it will come with is black. All right, but then we're not going to use that. Watch me and see what I'm going to do. I'm going to click on this plus icon here. Then you see these 3 lines here. The last one down, I'm going to move it. I don't want the color to be too obvious, so it's still black, but I'm still going to reduce it, right? Then I'm going to click OK. Meanwhile, I still don't want to use that black hole, right? Okay, I'm going to select this color, move it a bit. The first thing, the normal thing you should do is to select the color, which is this purple color you want to use. Then click on this plus icon and then move the opacity a bit. Okay, then click OK. Come down, come to offset X. We're going to do 3, offset Y 3. Then we'll mark this good sign. Okay, so it's coming out gradually. The next thing I'm going to do is to click on shape, pay close attention and see what I'm going to do now. Come to radius, increase it to highest. Opacity, reduce it to 0. Go down again, come to stroke, increase it to the highest. Go down again, blur radius, increase it to the highest. Please don't move us from this place yet. I'm going to use this small dot here to drag this like this and ensure that that circle, that empty space at the center of this circle has been covered. Then I'll mark this good sign. Then I'll have this shadow, right? Immediately I have this shadow, I'm going to go ahead and increase it, okay? Watch me and see what I'm going to do. I'm going to increase it, bring it this side. Of course, you cannot leave it like this. Watch me and see what I'm going to do. I'm going to go to color, enable, and then choose the color I want. I want to use this purple. Let's see if we can. Let's see if this will work out for us. I'll mark this good sign. I want to move this shadow to the back of this my perfume bottle. Watch and see what I'm going to do. I'm going to click on this icon below the three dots. Then press hold on this dot. You see that two dots into four places. Press hold on it. Then drag it. You see what I'm doing? And move it to the back of anything you want it to go to the back of. Right? Perfect. Okay, so this shadow is now at the back. You can maybe decide to, okay, we have to move it to the back of the other right up. Hope you are seeing it. Okay. Let's move this shape to the back too. Perfect. Hope you are seeing it's not covering the right up again. I think I have to increase this a bit. Let's see. Good. Okay, so they are still on that shape matter. I'm going to scroll by the right. Watch me now closely. I'm going to click on 3D rotate, right? Let's try and see if it's going to give us what we want. So I'm going to rotate it. Pam. 89. If you do 90, you will not see it again. Look at it. 89. Look at the shadow here. Okay. I'm going to bring it here. Let's see. Okay. Let me see. Perfect. I think this 80 is perfect. Okay. Let's position it well. This 80 is perfect. Remember, when you select it, the shadow, move it to the back, then you click on your 3D rotate. Then the x-axis, move it to 80. Finish. Mark this good sign. I'm going to go ahead and lock it to avoid it moving. Okay. Click on the icon below the three dots and lock both the perfume and the shadow. Good. Okay. Think this my perfume seems as if it's too up. Don't know. Let's see. I'm going to increase it. No need for the increase again. Just bring it down. Okay. I think this is okay now. I can even decide to copy it, delete this one, then so that it will not blow all those stuffs, right? Okay, we'll go ahead and lock it. Then we're going to continue with the other shapes, right? Pay close attention to this one now. I'm going to click on shape, then the radius, I'm going to do it 12. Please watch this video closely and follow exactly what I'm doing in this video. Don't go and do your own part. For the purpose of this class, please follow instructions, right? Yes. The more you practice and do exactly what I'm doing, the more you learn and know the things to apply in your own particular design when you start designing your own. Okay? So I'm going to check out these shapes and see. Okay? Let me mark this good. So let me know if it will enter here. As you can see, it will not enter. So we have to reduce it. So I'm going to go ahead and reduce this. Copy it again. Let me know if it will enter. Perfect, it will enter. I hope you are seeing it. So I'm going to delete this one. I want to work on this first one before I can now copy it and use it for every other one. So still on this same place, I'm going to scroll down. Come to shadow. Watch me. Enable it. You don't leave it like this, your design will be completely off. You have to reduce the opacity. Always remember that. I'm going to click on this plus icon, or maybe even before then. Already you will see the opacity that we use for that shadow. It will be here. You can select any of them. Let me select this one. Okay, I'm going to mark this good sign. So if I select it, I'm going to come to my offset X. I'm going to put 3. Then offset to Y, I'm going to put 3 too. Or you can just adjust from here too. I think this one is obviously perfect. Okay, this is perfect. Still on that same place, watch me and see what I'm going to do. Pay close attention, right? I'm going to come to stroke and enable width. And the stroke width is just going to be 1. Okay, just 2 like this, and we are good. And the stroke color by default is white. I'll mark this good sign. Then I'm going to click on texture. Pay close attention and see what I'm going to do. I will click here. You want to texture in the perfume now. Okay, I'm going to select this. Okay, just maybe crop out any unnecessary white spaces up and down. Then I'm going to mark this with sign. Now, when you take a look at this, you will discover that the perfume is actually showing twice. I'm going to scroll by the right. Go back to that texture. Come to scale and scale it. Now, sometimes if you scale it, it will cut out almost part of the perfume, right? Sometimes you have to even change the picture completely, right? So these are the things you must, as you are designing, you're looking at what you are doing and ensure it's going to work out fine. Okay, I may have to leave this one. Let me try another one here. So for this one, I'm going to crop out this part, then mark this good sign. If you look at this particular one, it's a bit perfect, though not perfect. Some part, that part of it are still showing. So I'm going to click on my texture and just scale it once. You see that it will come out perfectly well. Hope you are seeing it. This is beautiful. So with this now, we're going to go ahead and copy it into 4 places. Copy it into 4 places, right? Make sure it's well arranged though. Okay. Beautiful. Hope you are seeing it. Make sure it's well arranged. Okay. Can use your position button to arrange it. Okay. Good. So we're going to go ahead now and input the remaining perfume. So I'm going to click on this one, click on texture, click here, then select the next perfume. Okay, let's say it's this one. I'm going to crop out these white spaces here. Okay, mark this good sign. This one is still showing down. I'm going to click on texture and scale it. Hope you are seeing it. It's coming out perfectly well. So we're going to click on the third one, click on texture, click here. Okay, let's bring this in. Okay, this is perfect. I don't need to adjust anything there. Then click on this one. Then bring in the last one, right? Let's use this one. I will need to adjust this one small. Yeah. Perfect. Hope you are seeing it. This is beautiful. Now for the second one at the center, you can decide to put it, you can decide not to put it, okay? Just click on the shape, move circle, right? Reduce it. Let it not be too big that it will now come and cover the other ones. Never, never. Okay? You don't do that. I'm going to mark this good sign. I will have to go to my shadow, right? Enable it. Use that same one we use for the other one. Then 3, 3. Mark this good sign, okay? Position it well. Stroke, enable it. 1 is enough. Then go to texture. Go to texture. Let's add the last one. Okay. We have to adjust it small, scale it up. Okay, that's there. It's completely fine and good. And then the last thing is to put in the contact. Okay. Okay, I'm going to copy this. Copy this, edit, and then delete this. Then contact. So if you have to order contact. Now put in the phone number. This thing is not real, just for teaching people, right? So I'm going to bring it down here, bring it at the center. Of course, you have to change the color, right? In the color to white. Then I'm going to watch as what I'm going to do. I want to make sure it's center aligned. Then I'm going to go to align. Click on the center one. If you're seeing it, you can decide to increase it a bit so that it will be more visible. Then place it at the center of those design. Then finally, for the flower at the top, click the center icon, click on import. Of course, so we have to edit this design to make it to pop. You must edit your design. If you submit your design without editing it, you're going to score 0. So I'm just going to go ahead and position this here, right? Then I'm going to go ahead and remove the old one, old design, right? Perfect. So this is what we have here, a masterpiece. Oh my God. Okay, this is what we have here. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and save it. Remember, click on this save icon, look at it on the top. You remember to save as project. In case you want to make any corrections, then you can affect your corrections. Before that, let me reduce this a bit. Perfect. Then save as image. Select, you can use custom or ultra. Any of the two is perfect. Okay. Then we are going to wait for it to save, and then we are going to go ahead and edit it. Watch the video to the end to make sure you edit this art, people. So the app we'll be using to edit it is our Snapseed. So this is our Snapseed here. When you open your Snapseed, this is what it looks like. Click on this plus icon here, then select your design. So it's going to load. So this is our design here. To edit it, click on tools. We are not doing much here. Click on details, increase the structure to 50, then the sharpening, increase it too. Okay, I just discovered something. This perfume is not giving me the vibes I want, especially at that background part. Let's work on it. So we can do that by let's select the perfume and see. Okay, let's go to shadow, and maybe we can make the shadow a bit more darker. Let's see. Okay, or even let's check this, that shadow we used. Maybe try changing the color to a more darker one. Let's see. Yes, I think it's more darker now, and I think I prefer that. Right? Okay. Okay, so that is okay. I'll go ahead and save it again. Then go to my Snapseed. I'm not going to save this one. I'm just going to open the new one. Okay. I'll click on tools. Click on details. Let's see. Increase the structure. Of course, hope you are seeing the down part now. It's giving me what I want. Then I'm going to increase the sharpening. If you look at it, it looks more real, like it's sitting on something, right? That's what I actually wanted to achieve there, right? So I'm going to mark this good sign. Look at the before, look at the after. It's shining more and more. Okay, so you're going to go ahead and save your work. Click on export, click on save, right? And you are done. Of course, I believe you must have gained value. Please go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, and share. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.